Like a lifestyle. Another market recap. A little earlier today. It's power hour for today, September the 22nd. This is round 40. I skipped round 39 because nothing happened, just like round 38. So today, finally got some movement. I was able to take a couple of trades, and I will go over those trades now. The watch list consisted of about 15 stocks. The airlines, United Airlines, Delta, Jets, which is a airline ETF, they all popped up. I couldn't play any of those because the spreads were shit. Bank of America and Carnival Cruise Line both popped up. Bank of America was running pretty early, and Carnival Cruise Line was right behind it. I should have played Carnival right there, or Bank of America, but I just did them wrong. Matter of fact, let me just go right here. You see Bank of America, this is my new reversal strategy scan. So this is the entry, and you just got to play it as is. But as you see, it already triggered at the open. So it opened right here. So it was already up at like 30%. So it ran to 120% and it's still holding. Same thing with Carnival Cruise. Carnival Cruise opened right beneath it, but I wasn't watching Carnival Cruise as quickly. And by the time it got to the point, I was like, the market's been down so many days, it might pull back. That's what I was expecting. And it did pull back a little bit, but then on the next 15, it just took off. Let me go to a 5-minute. Yeah. So yeah, I could have got in at any point right here and been fine. But this ran 30%. Carnival Cruise ran pretty slowly. Other than that, United Airlines did a similar thing. $47 call, hit for 86%. And then Jets. This was the one call I was about to take, because the Delta was already running. United Airlines had a horrible spread. Delta had a horrible spread. And I was like, well, if the airlines are running, then Jets is going to run with it. So I was looking at Jets around this point. But I wanted to get Jets. I think Jets was at like 36. I wanted to get it for... No, I think it was like 35. I wanted to get it for 32, I think. Or 30. I can't remember. Actually, it was probably at 33. Let me be honest. It was at 33. But I wanted to get it at 30. It went as low as 31, which was probably right here. It hit 31 and then just took off. I should have got in at 31 and then I would have been up 50%. But I didn't take it, so that's on me. But that ran 50%. Let's see what else happened. The trades I did take. I'll go here. ATOS. This is a former runner. I got into the call right around here for 13 bucks, and it's just holding strong. Nothing's really happening. This stock here. Let me go 30-day 1 hour. As you can see, this stock is at $3.38. It was over $4 before. And it's been as high as 10, so it definitely could run again. So we'll see what this does. Space. This was the one trade I took today and closed today so far. I took a call right around here, because Space was the only stock that hadn't moved yet, and it was moving up while everybody else was going down. So that was a good sign. So I got into Space right as it broke this point. These two bars right here were a 2-1 bracket I put up at the 15-minute mark, just as a indicator. And as it broke above the 15 right here, I got in my stop. I got in around here. My stop was down here. It broke under it for a little bit. Let me go to the 5. Yeah, see, because it was dancing around here. Then it broke up for a second and then came back down. And I almost cut it right here because I got in at 48. Now, I wanted to get in at 46, and then I wanted to get in at 44. My new strategy of entry selection is a $3 to $5 pullback. So what I should have done is just said, let me get in at 45, and that's exactly what happened right here. Right here, it triggered at 45. I could have got in at 45 and then got out up here at 54, 55 to get a bigger return. But I got out right here at 53. So I went from 48 to 53 for 10%. It went up a little bit higher, 55, 56 for a second, but that was it. It didn't really go much higher than 55, 56, which would have been 15, 16%. If I would have caught it right here instead of right here, that little difference right there, I could have got in at 45 instead of 48, and then I've been up a better percentage, but still a good trade. And NRGZ came back from the dead. I'm now up over 10% on this trade from 29 to 30. The shitty thing about this trade is that when the market died 2 days ago, this was down to 13 bucks. I should have at least bought one to get my average to 20, because now I'd be up over 50% on that trade. Instead, I'm up 10%. But hey, such is life. And wild card, NLY. This is a call out from a group I'm in. You want to know about the group? I give the creator of the group is in my course. You get the course, you learn who the person is, you go find them, follow them, and go about it that way. But anyway, so I got into a $9 call around here, I think. And I got it for 7 bucks, and it's already up over 100%. I think is that like 17 bucks right now, something like that. I'm just gonna hold that. That's kind of a YOLO. I'm gonna just hold that for this week and see what happens. And that's everything. First green day of the week. First actual trading day of the week, to be honest. What could I have done better today? I could have jumped into Jets sooner. I could have jumped into Space sooner. I could have played Ford. Oh, I didn't even talk about Ford. Ford went crazy today. I was looking at Ford right here for the $13 call. It was at like 50. No, it was at like 48 bucks, I think. Now it's over 60. And the 10-1 expiration was about 30, 33 bucks. Now it's over 50. So I really shit the bed missing Ford here, because Ford is just going to keep on climbing. I mean, I can't get into Ford now if I wanted to, because it's still above the point, but I feel that it's too far gone for my taste to get in. You know, maybe like a 1350 call or something. Let me see. They got 1350s. This is just 13. So they do have a 1350. And the 14 is a gaining speed. Maybe I'll take a 1350 call on Ford, but I'll watch them for tomorrow. And yep, that covers everything. So haven't done the watch list yet because the market hasn't closed, and I only do the watch list that market closed. So I thank you guys for listening. I don't know if I said this yet. You like to learn from who I learned from, such as the person that gave me that call out that's already up over 100%. Get the stock market playlist, 30 resources for $30. Get the merch. I got hoodies, t-shirts, tank tops. Follow me on IG and Twitter. And yeah, have a good one.